Shall I compare you to a summer day? You're lovely and middle.
Rough winds shake the pretty back of May, and summer is far too short.
Sometimes the sun is too hot, or often goes behind the clouds.
And everything beautiful stops being beautiful by accident or simply in the course of nature.
But your eternal summer will never fade, nor will you lose possession of your beauty.
Nor will death claim you for his own, because in my eternal verses you will live forever.
As long as men are alive and have eyes to see, this book will live and keep you alive.
Won't you come out and play with me? Step by step, heart to heart, left, right, left, we up or down. Like toy soldiers, bit by bit, torn apart. We never win, but the battle wages on for toy soldiers. It's getting hard to wake up in the morning. My head is spinning.